Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to take multiple copies of any object in Photoshop quickly. So let's get started. First of all, create any shape. I am making this a square, and right now this is a vector shape. We have to convert it into raster shape. So to convert in raster shape, to convert this into raster shape, just right click on it and choose rasterize layer. Now this is our raster shape. So to make a copy of this object quickly, although we have a method to make a copy with alt, with pressing alt key and dragging, but this takes a more time. We want to do it quickly. So to make a copies quickly, just press Ctrl Alt T and then drag it where, wherever you want to put. Press enter and then press Ctrl Shift Alt T multiple times to take the copies. You can see that we have a separate layer for every shape. Let me undo it. If I want to copies of this shape on the same layer, then what we can do, delete all these shapes. First, we have to make a selection of this object. To make a selection, hold down Ctrl key and click on this icon to make a selection and sorry, and then press Ctrl or T and move it, put it at your desired place and then press enter and then press Ctrl Shift Alt T to take a copies, but you can see that now we are getting copies on the same layer. Press Ctrl D to deselect, and again if I want to make copies, click on this, make selection, then press Ctrl Alt T, move it downward, press enter, and then press Ctrl Shift Alt T multiple times to take more copies. Press Ctrl D to deselect. Now we have these all shapes. You can make any shape, you can make copies of any shape with this method. Like I am choosing this heart shape or maybe any other shape, like okay, I'm making uh, I'm making copies of this heart shape. Draw a heart and changing its color to red. Click here and then fill it with your desired color. Now again, this is a vector shape. We have converted into raster shape. Right click and click on rasterize layer to convert it into raster shape. Click on the layer to make a copy. Click on this icon to make the selection, then press Ctrl Alt T, move it at your desired place, press enter, and then press Ctrl Alt Shift T multiple times to take multiple copies. Press Ctrl D, and you can repeat the process similarly as we did earlier. Again, click on this layer, this icon with Control key, press Ctrl Alt and T, move it downward, press enter and then press Ctrl Shift Alt T multiple times to take more copies. Press Ctrl D and that's it. Not only shapes but you can also take copies with this method of text also, like I am typing love. Let me increase the size. Ctrl P, and this is all. We have to convert it. We have to convert text also into rasterize shape. Click here to rasterize, and then click here to make a selection. Press Ctrl Alt T and move it downward. Press enter and then press Ctrl Shift Alt T multiple times to take more copies. Press Ctrl D to deselect. Again, I am taking more. I want to take more copies. So click, hold down Ctrl key and click on this here. Make a selection. Press Ctrl Alt T. Move it and press it at your desired location. Press enter to deselect and then press Ctrl Shift Alt T multiple times to take more copies. Press Ctrl D to deselect and then you can move it easily wherever you want. So that is the tutorial how to take multiple copies of any shape on the same layer or on the separate layers quickly using Photoshop in Photoshop. So if you like my tutorial, please like, share and subscribe. See you later. Till then, take care and bye bye.